Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Shelter app. So first thing is just simply go ahead and go to the Google Play Store into your device and tap on the search icon at the bottom and search bar at the top and search for Shelter app. So guys, if you don't have Shelter app into your Google Play Store, you could just simply go ahead and go to your Chrome and search for F-Droid.org. So guys, this is an alternative application in order for you to download the Shelter app and just simply tap on download F-Droid. And from here, just simply download it. And once you have downloaded it, you should be able to have the application and it will look something like this. And now once you have F-Droid downloaded, tap on it. And from here, you could use the search icon at the bottom right and search for Shelter app over here. And tap on the Shelter app and tap on install over here and just simply wait for it to be loaded up. And from here, just simply go to the settings and tap on allow from the sources and then go back and tap on install over here. And from here, you should be able to open it up and tap on next, tap on next, tap on next, and tap on next. So from here, it is just saying all of the information that you need to know and tap on agree and it will create a work profile for you. And from here, guys, you should be able to set up the Shelter application and you could use it and you will have two categories. You will have main and Shelter tab over here. That's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.